He's old.
We always do that.
Where is fact checker Melda?
Roll call.
Jen.
Frank. And we're Dillos.
Hello and welcome to day 2 of the vlog. Thanks for checking out our first one, for those that did. If you're new, so are we. We're new to the whole vlogging thing. I am Jen, one half of Dillos Diz, along with my brother Frank, and we've decided we're going to embark on a vlogging journey. And today I am trying to prep a little bit more for my upcoming trip, try to get some things together, and I have just arrived at another favorite place of mine, Target. And I am with the 7-year-old. 7-year-old, say hello.
Hi.
And the 7-year-old is helping me to vlog and also preparing for his future as a Target employee, right? Are you gonna work at Target someday?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Do you wanna work at Target someday or Disney?
Both.
Both? I like it. I think you could probably start at Target when you're young and then you can move. Yeah.
And then I will sort out a pin store where you collect all the pins, and you can also have one with a free Star Wars pin with Darth Vader, Stormtrooper, and Luke Skywalker.
Wow. So you're gonna have a pin trading store in Disney?
Mm-hmm.
I like it, with a lot of Star Wars pins.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool.
You can collect all of them.
Wow. Are they gonna be rare ones?
There's some gold ones. There's a Mickey Mouse, a Minnie Mouse, a Pluto, a Daisy, a Christmas Mickey Mouse, a Christmas Minnie Mouse.
Well, you need the holidays,
Donald,
right?
And a Goofy.
Wow.
And it's a Mommy Goofy.
A mommy Goofy too?
Yes, because
Wow.
that's your favorite Disney character.
You got it all figured out, kid. This is all off the top of your head too. This is very impressive. Have you been planning this for a long time?
I only planned of it.
You know, when you graduated nursery school, you did say that you wanted to be a Disney World worker someday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I thought I was working in the castle.
Oh, you're gonna work in the castle? All right, I'll see you again soon, probably. It might be later today when I actually start packing. If not, I'll follow up again tomorrow. So it is 24 hours from that last video, and I'm in the same parking lot. I'm back at Target. That's what I do with my life. So I made some progress today. If you listened to Theme Park Thursday, you heard me say that I may be in the same boat on Thursday that I was on Tuesday, where I didn't have anything packed. And that's accurate. But I started today. I'm basically there, I think. Again, some little things need to be added that I don't forget, like wires for my phone. I know I've mentioned that a few times, but you know that's the worst thing when you forget a wire for your phone, because we do everything on our phone, and especially in Disney when everything is tied to the app now. And I know there are other ways to charge them. I don't want to do that. I want to carry my own charger. It's a weird Dillo thing, I think. You know, it's new technology. We don't do well with that. We're crazy like that. But either way, since we're also using backpacks, just like one backpack each of us, because we're on the Blue Basic on JetBlue, as we mentioned as well, I'm also utilizing a lot of Ziploc bags for my clothes, kind of doing like a vacuum seal deal. Overall, it should be interesting to see if I can finally get it together by tomorrow. But I think for tomorrow's vlog, maybe we'll do a whole little travel ribbon for Frank and I of, you know, getting to the airport, flying into Orlando, and maybe we'll have a little message for you guys and post it. This is Thursday, we'll post it tomorrow, Friday night, September 10th. This way you can kind of see how our day went. I think that's the plan, or at least us getting to Orlando. I'm really just thinking out loud at this point. I have nothing planned. It's the main theme of these vlogs so far, is it not? Anyway, thanks for watching. These will get more interesting, I swear. But until then, I'm gonna go back to yesterday's video because me and the 7-year-old did a sign off, and I think that one's way better than this one would be. Deuces!